Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session, which is how to obtain a basis of solution if one solution is known. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write how to obtain a basis of solution if one solution is known. Or you can say determination of second solution of a homogeneous equation if one solution is known. So today we learn about how to obtain a basis of solution and if one solution is known. So here in this case, so how to find? So can I write the solution in this case? So you have to consider second order homogeneous differential equation. Let y double dash plus p into y dash plus of qy equals to 0, where p and q are functions of x or constant. So do the numbering. Suppose 1 bj be a homogeneous equation of second order. So here, for the given condition, one solution is known. So here, so can I write let y1 here. So therefore, can I write y1 is a known solution. Known solution of 1. So here, if you say y1 is a known solution of this differential equation, so you must say y1 satisfies this equation. So here, let y2 equals to y2 be the another solution of this given. So we have to assume this solution. Y2 equals to u into y1. Where u is a function of x. So do the numbering. Suppose this part becomes 2. So can I write here? I have written so what is the second order homogeneous differential equation? Here I have written. Then here y1 is a known solution of this differential equation. So can I write therefore if y1 is a known solution? So can I write? So y1 satisfies this equation. So y1 satisfies 1. Then we can write so can I write y1 double dash plus of p into y1 dash plus of q into y1 equals to 0. So do the numbering. Suppose this part becomes 3. Again we can write therefore if u y2 equals to u into y1. For solving this equation, here I have required y double dash. So can I write So can I write y2 equals to this part? So taking ordinary derivative with respect to x both sides. Here u is a function of x. So y2 dash it becomes how much? So differentiation of the first function and the second function is constant into y1 plus of differentiation first function is constant, differentiation of the second function. So can I write y2 double dash? So can I write y2 double dash? It becomes so u double dash into y1 plus of first function. Here first function is constant, second differentiation of the second function, but second function is constant, differentiation of the first function plus of so u dash y1 dash plus of so here in this case so can I write u dash into y1 dash plus of so here u dash into y1 double dash. So finally can I write u double dash into y1 plus of so this term are same. So can I write 2 into u dash into y1 dash plus of u dash into y1 double dash. So here I have written u into y1 double dash. So can I write this line? So finally, so again we can say y2 be a solution of 1 since y2 be a solution of 1. So can I write if y2 is a solution of 1, so can I write y2 double dash plus p into y2 dash plus of q into y2 equals to 0. So can I write what is y2 double dash? Here I have written. So using suppose this part becomes 2 and this part becomes 3. This part becomes 3. So this part 4. Can I write this part becomes 5. So here y2 double dash. So can I write u double dash y1 plus of here 2u dash y1 dash plus of so here y2 double dash that becomes u dash. So you can write so here it is u into y1 double dash. So this is y2 double dash plus of p into y2 dash. What is p into y2 dash? P into y2 dash. What is y2 dash? Y2 dash then becomes this part. So can I write u dash into y1 plus of u into y1 dash plus of q into y2. What is y2? Y2 that means u into y1. U into y1 equals to 0. So can I write this part becomes u double dash y1 plus of so can I write 2u dash y1 dash plus of u into y1 double dash. So can I write this part? It becomes plus of so can I take the common y1? So can I take the common y1? So can I take the common y1? If I take the common y1, so here in this case so you can write this part becomes u double dash y1 plus of u dash of so can I write 2y1 dash plus of p into y1 plus of so can I write u into y1 double dash plus of p into y1 dash plus of q into y1 equals to 0. So here in this case, so can I write this part becomes so can I write u double dash y1 plus of u dash into 2y1 dash plus of p into y1. So here this part becomes 0 using so can I write so this part becomes 0 if y1 is a solution of the homogeneous differential equation. So this term becomes 0. So plus u into 0, so that part becomes 0. So equal plus of, so can I write directly this part equals to 0? Since can I write y1 double dash plus of p into y1 dash plus of q into y1 equals to 0. So here, so can I write this part, it becomes, so u double dash plus of, so dividing y1 both sides, so can I write 2 into y1 dash by y1 plus of, so can I write this part, so y1 cancel, so can I write p whole into, so can I write u dash equals to 0. Let us substitute, so can I write u dash equals to v, so can I write u double dash, it becomes v dash. So substitute it, so in this case, so can I write v dash plus of 2 of y1 dash by y1 plus of p whole into u dash, that means u dash becomes v becomes 0. So separate the variables, so can I write this is dv, so dv by dx, so can I write this is dv by dx, so can I write dv by v equals to minus of, so can I write 2 into y1 dash by y1 plus of p whole into dx. So taking integration in this case, so can I write, so here in this case, so can I write, so taking integration both sides, so it becomes, so log of v, so can I write log of v, so it becomes this part, it becomes how much, so this part it becomes, so log v becomes minus integration of minus of 2 of y1 by y1 dash by y1 plus of p whole into dx. So finally we can write, so v equals to, finally we can write v equals to, so can I write e to the power the integration of minus of 2 of y1 dash by y1 plus of p dx, plus of p whole into dx. So finally you can write this part, it becomes, so v becomes, so can I write, so here in this case, so can I write e to the power the, so y1 dash by y1 into dx, so it becomes minus of 2 log of y1 into, so can I write e to the power the integration of minus p dx. So finally you can write, so we can write, we know that e to the power the log x, it becomes x. So here in this case, y1 to the power the minus 2, so that becomes y1 to the power the minus 2 into e to the power the integration of minus p dx. So finally it becomes e to the power the minus of integration p dx all divided by y1 square. So here what is dv that becomes, so can I write v becomes u dash, so can I write v becomes u dash, so it becomes du by dx, so separate the variable and take the integration, du equals to, so can I write e to the power the minus of integration p dx by of y1 square. So can I write into all into dx. So taking integration, so u becomes, so can I write integration of e to the power the integration of minus p dx all divided by y1 square all into dx. So here in this case, u equals to this part. Therefore, the second solution is, y2 equals to u into y1. So here I have already found out u become this part and y1 is given. So if I take one example, then it is clear whatever I have written the theoretical part. solve if y1 equals to x is a known solution of x square y double dashed minus of x y dashed plus of y equals to 0, then find a basis of solution, find a basis of solution and write down general solution. So what is the problem में क्या गिवन है, एक नॉन सॉल्यूशन गिवन है, y1 गिवन है, y2 मुझे फाइंड करना है। तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन क्या दिया है, x स्क्वायर y डबल डैश माइनस xy डैश प्लस y इक्वल्स टू 0। तो यहाँ पे to find the basis of solution we have to find the y2, then write down the general solution. So what is the solution in this case? So can I write the given differential equation is x square y double dashed minus xy dashed plus of y equals to 0. Suppose do the numbering, this part becomes 1. This is the homogeneous differential equation is given. So here y1 equals to x is a known solution. So can you write which is of the from? You have to express in this form. So we have to express in this form y double dashed plus of p into y dashed plus q into y equals to 0, where p and q are functions of x or constant. So here from 1, so can I write from 1 can I write dividing x square both sides. So can I write y double dash, so dividing x square both sides, y double dash minus of x by x square. So can I write minus of x by x square y dashed plus of 1 by x square into y equals to 0. So finally you can write this part, it becomes so y double dashed plus of minus of 1 by x into y dashed plus of 1 by x square whole into y equals to 0. So which is expressed in this form? 2. So what is the value of p and what is the value of q? If you compare this equation and the equation, you must get, if you compare these two equations, so you must get, so can I write, so here what is p? P becomes, if you compare this part and this part, so can I write p becomes, so comparing 2 and 3, so comparing 2 and 3, comparing equation number 2 and 3 we get, so can I write p becomes minus 1 by x, p becomes minus 1 by x. What is q? Q becomes 1 by x square. What is the another solution? Let y2 be the another solution. y2 equals to u into y1, where u is a function of x. So here y2 be the another solution. So what is u? I have already discussed what is u. U equals to integration of e to the power integration of minus p dx all divided by y1 square into dx. So can I write this part? It becomes integration of e to the power minus p dx. So what is p? P becomes minus 1 by x. So minus 1 is a plus. So e to the power 1 by x dx all divided by y1 square. Y1 square, that means what is y? Y1 is given. Y1, that means y1 equals to x. So can I write it is x square all into dx. So can I write integration of dx by x, so it becomes e to the power the log x. So can I write e to the power the log x by x square integration of dx. So can I write this part? So x by x square dx. So finally you can write integration of dx by x. So it becomes log x. So therefore, what is y2? What is y2? U into y1. U into y1, what is u? U becomes log x. So log x, what is y1? Y1 it becomes x. It is given. It is given y1 equals to x. So finally can you write x into log of x. X into log of x. Then verify it. Can you say y and y2 are linearly independent solution? So can I write therefore so can I write y1 by y2. So verify it. Therefore y1 by y2 equals to, what is y1? Y1 is given x. What is y2? Y2 that means x into log x. X into log of x. So can I write this part becomes 1 by log x. 1 by log x. So not equals to constant. So can you say not equals to constant? So we must say y1 and y2, y and y2 are linearly independent. Linearly independent, which implies y1 and y2, which implies y1 and y2 form a basis. Form a basis. Therefore, so y2 the another solution becomes, therefore the another solution y2 it becomes another solution y2 equals to u into y1, u into y1. So it becomes, so finally you can write, so finally it becomes, we can write x into log x. Therefore the required general solution, therefore the required general solution is y equals to c1 y1 plus c2 y2, where c1 c2 are arbitrary constant. So can I write y equals to, what is c1 into y1? Y1 that means x, plus of c2 into y2 that means x into log x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. All of you know the superposition principle or linearity principle. If y1 and y2 are two linearly independent solutions of the second order homogeneous differential equation, then the general solution becomes y equals to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So this is all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the session and liked the tricks that I have shared you in this video. So don't forget to share among your friends, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button, and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.